So customized plans are important for your hair restoration. Many times patients compare themselves to friends, or they look on the internet and say, oh, this guy got 2,500 grafts, this guy got 1,500, oh, this guy got 5,000 grafts. The important thing is the plan needs to be customized. There are multiple variations that everybody has, and that relates to the density of the donor site, the thickness of each individual hair, the number of follicles within each follicle grouping. Is it more of your hairline? Is it more of your crown? How much thickness do you have in the donor site? How much thickness does each individual hair have? Is there curl? I mean, there's so many variations, so it's very tough to compare what your friend went through and what you need. So give us a call. Talk to us, and we will sit down in consultation, you and I, and we will go through a game plan, and that is vital for your hair restoration journey.